the weekend. So I'm actually going to do a minimal, I call it the no makeup look. Reason? Because I need to get my passport pictures done, and I was going to get them done yesterday, but my makeup was more heavier than normal with obviously lashes, and it was like, oh, you can have makeup on but keep it kind of minimal. So, and I was thinking, oh, do I go like this, totally plain, but then obviously sometimes I will have makeup on. So decided I'll do the no makeup look, which I did do this in the week. And I'm sure it took me probably about 12 minutes to put all this on. So I'm going to kind of try and sort of do it in real time, so I can show how quickly one can put makeup on, but hopefully we'll see the difference for my passport pictures from looking like this to looking like this. So feeling with this in real time, I'm going to talk through, I'm not necessarily going to show things, but hopefully this is going to be the no makeup look. So as per normal, we start with the primer. So I still put primer on because we are going to be putting some foundation on. So we're going to have all the bases on. Okay, and let me get my trusty little palette here, which I love. And so foundation. So normally with foundation I would do 2 pumps. So on this occasion we're actually just going to do 1 pump. And you may think, oh my gosh, how much are you going to do with that? So this is the point of the no makeup look. So I've got my this is my Huda Beauty brush. I kind of dip it in, and it's literally, I go very quickly. And it's just putting a light covering on the face. Okay, foundation. So concealer. So again, not too much concealer. And this is going to happen quite quickly. I do across the bridge of my nose because of the markings from my glasses. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit of contour. Actually, this is the new Fenty contour. I'm trying a new colour. I normally use Espresso, and this one's Truffle. So we say, as it's a contour, it's, a light covering. Okay, and then we are gonna use some So Sunstalker, this is another new one. This is Cocoa Naughty. I normally use Mocha Mami, but this is a little bit lighter bronzer. So just place that on top. And it just gives a little bit of shadowing to the face, a little bit of shape to the face. And I will use this to contour my nose as well, because again, we don't want it heavy. So the very light shadowing. So that's the bronzer, and then we'll put a little bit of blush on whilst we're here. And then what I'll do actually is I'll put a little bit of bronzer, sort of just covering over the brows, just under the brows. And that's just using the residues of the blush. And then using the same bronzer, and the bronzer I've got is my trusty MAC Raisin. You see, it's just putting a tad of colour to the eyes, but nothing substantial. Then what we need to do is the brows. So, got my Benefit. What we've got, this is our Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. And this is number 5. I think just with a pencil is a little bit quicker than using the brush and pomade that I normally do. And again, this is going to be, my brows are going to be lighter than normal as well. To just add a little bit more shape to them than that's currently there. And I think this one, because it's like a lighter brown, it's a dark brown as opposed to black, it's not so harsh a colour. See, just soften it up. Soften those edges. Just go back in again once more. Okay, and then we're going to put some eyeliner on, and this is what the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. So this lovely nice felt tip end, so that makes it easy to do it quicker, and the quicker you can do it, the better. We're not winging it, we're just putting so it just opens up the eyes that much better. And then we've got our Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. Look at the wand on that. At the base, wriggle it through to the end. At the base, wriggle it through to the end. Again, it's the base, wriggle it through to the end. There's a lot of brush to get through in between all the lashes, so hence the wriggling motion. You see, our eyes are popping. And you notice I haven't put this wand back into the bottle because there's enough mascara on there to do the first coat on both the top and bottom lashes, in my opinion. Because you don't want them clogging up straight away. So that's the first coat, as you can see. And just going to put, so that's the first coat. See, we're nearly done. And then put me, so this is another MAC Chestnut. You know what I haven't done? I forgot to put me lip prime on. It just makes lip, this is my MAC Lip and Prime. It just really helps the lip liner and lipstick or gloss, whatever, go on a lot better. See, I'm rushing. There you go. And then we're just going to finish it with lip gloss, which is the Vanessa by Juvia's Place. Legit lip gloss. It kind of gives a natural and ombre look with the lip liner. Okay, and there we go. That's my finished look, ready for my passport pictures. So here we are with our finished look, and I just checked on the timing of me filming it, and that's with everything in it, with me finding things and talking through, was actually 13 and a half minutes. So in effect, without the talking and having everything I needed, etc., it probably would have taken about 12 minutes-ish. So surprisingly, this kind of minimal makeup look that I feel, you know, looks decent for me, even, you know, going out to the shops or perhaps for work. Now I know I can do this instead of having a full makeup, and it can take 10 minutes, which I'm sure, you know, many of you would probably appreciate something taking a lot quicker than my normal perhaps 45 minutes up to an hour comfortably. But it's nice to indulge, you know, now and again, putting real full makeup on. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with this, and I'm going to be happy with my passport pictures. So yeah, finished look. You can see the before and after. So happy weekend.